Translation of the Washington Group Question Sets Part 1. The importance of good translation.
The wording used in the questions and answer categories in the Washington Group question sets is carefully chosen for a specific reason. Let's look at, for example, the question, do you have difficulty remembering or concentrating? Remembering refers to the use of memory to recall incidents or events. This includes both events in the recent past or further back. Concentrating refers to the use of mental ability to focus on the task at hand in order to complete it. If this question were to be translated as, do you have difficulty memorizing or do you have difficulties with your memories, it would not obtain information on the concept intended.
Similarly, the answer categories are designed to capture the continuum of functioning. The categories, no difficulty, and cannot do it at all, identify the endpoints of this continuum. The two other options, some difficulty, and a lot of difficulty, separate the continuum into three equal parts. If the labels are translated incorrectly as moderate instead of some and severe instead of a lot, the continuum will not be divided into equal parts. This choice of language will cause persons who might have chosen some not to report moderate, as that word often signifies a higher level of difficulty. Those having a lot of difficulty may choose moderate, but this does not reflect their true level of severity. So, the intent of the original wording would not be captured. Moreover, the data collected with this translation would not be comparable to that collected using the original language. This could affect how the population with disabilities is identified.
To avoid this issue, the Washington Group has created a set of guidelines for translation. The first, and the most important point, is to translate the concept as intended in the source language. For example, the purpose of the question, do you have difficulty walking or climbing steps, is to identify persons who have problems of any kind getting around on foot for short or long distances, and walking up or down steps because of impairments, imbalance, endurance, or any other problems.
Two methods exist for translating questions: the forward-backward translation method and the conceptual or theme translation method. In the first method, the questions are translated from the source language, English, into a target language and then back into English again. The two English versions are then compared. While useful, this method sometimes produces the same English words, but the concept is lost in the translation. So, the second method is preferable because it assures that the intended concept is included in the translation. Its name is the acronym of the 5 steps of the translation process: translation, review, adjudication, pretesting, and documentation.
To find out details about the trapped method, refer to our next video, Translation of the Washington Group Question Sets Part 2. Best practices for translation.
For more information on the Washington Group on Disability Statistics and the questions translation specifications, visit washingtongroup-disability.com.